Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, it would seem that the Australian dollar still remains in a bearish bias after the initial sell-off last week, reaches its target of 75.25 and now pressuring the support that comes in at 74.85. Overall, I expect to see further weakness into this week and could see a target of 74.50 reached, with any bias to the upside. Should find resistance now at 75.50. Well, with the dollar index rallying on towards 94, the market has actually found support at 116.90 for the euro. Overall, I expect to see further weakness into this week. We do have the FOMC meeting and also the ECB, so we could see further weakness coming through. A break of 116.90 would expose towards 115.5. With any advances, should find resistance now at 118.15 as minor and a slight cap holding at 118.60. Well, dollar yen has pushed to the top side and now pressuring the resistance that comes in around 113.60. Overall, for this week, I expect to see further bullish implications and could see a rise up towards 114.5 and reassess from there, with any pullback seeing support that comes in at 112.70. Well, the British pound was very whipsaw price action on Friday after challenging a range of 133.54 to 135.19. With Brexit talks still on the way, sources saying that the EU could still remain uncertain to the outcome. From a technical point though, I am bearish and I do expect to see a challenge from the recent rejection area 133.45. A break there would give further exposure down towards 132.60. Well, the gold outlook is getting extremely oversold and I do expect to see a recovery from the region of 1,236 to 38 and look up towards the target that comes in at 1,252 to 1,256. Although I see support of 42, this could give way slightly in the week due to the fact that we do have the FOMC meeting coming up and it is viewed that they will hike rates 25 basis points. So that could put a little bit of pressure on gold as the US dollar strengthens. Well, it would seem that the challenge of $15.60 on silver has been respected as it recovers now to trade at $15.85 with a resistance seen at $15.90. From a technical point, it is clearly picking up. So I do expect to see a recovery. And a break of 15.90 would give further exposure back towards $16.15 and reassess from there. With any pullback, still see a buy from 15.60. And to wrap up with oil, well, the market is now challenging this support that now comes as resistance, somewhere around 57.80. Overall, I do expect to see further weakness coming into oil this week and should see a decline back towards the given target of 54.70. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a great start to the new week.